Hey, Brian Sensei here. Now, I am the real Brian Sensei, but this is the Brian Sensei AI clone. Hey, AI clone Brian Sensei here. Boom shakalaka. That's right, I can use that catchphrase too. Ha 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 ha. What a character. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an AI clone of yourself. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up the browser and we're going to head on over to HeyGen.com. You'll find a link in the description below. Once you get there, create a free account. Okay, from here, I'm going to click Avatar Video. And here I have a choice between the portrait layout or landscape. I'm going to go with landscape. All right, so first thing I need to do is bring in my avatar. So I'm going to go to Photo Avatar and select my avatar. Now, I've already uploaded mine. So all you need to do is click on Create Photo Avatar and you'll be able to upload your own photo and add it to your avatar's library, and then you'll be able to select it and add it to your video project. You'll see here that I uploaded a photo that already has the background removed. There's a link in the description below to learn how to remove the background from your photos. But know that you can upload photos that have backgrounds. Okay, so I'm gonna select my avatar photo and click it again. And you notice here, I'm added now to the video project area. Now, what's nice about this is you can add backgrounds to this video. Over on the left, I'm going to click on Element. All right, and here we can scroll through and look for images to put in the background, or even videos or shapes. I'm going to go ahead and just insert a shape for a basic clear background. All right, you can see the shape has been added to the timeline down below here, but notice that it's covering up my face. So I'm going to go ahead and resize this so it covers the entire area. All right, then I'm going to change the layering of this shape. So with it selected, I'll go up here to my Change Layer tool and I'll send backward. There we go. Now I'm in front. And of course, you could also do this with images. You can take a look and see all that they have, and you could essentially put yourself pretty much anywhere you want to. For example, if I want to put myself in this conference room, I can click on this one, resize it, position it the way I want, and again, go to layering, send it backward, and boom shakalaka. Now I'm in a conference room. All right, but I'm going to go with that basic one color, solid color background. So I'll delete the conference room. All right, now for the final step, which is to add my script. So I'll go over here to script on the left, and you'll notice here that there's already a script started. Now you can type in a script and have an avatar voice read your script. However, I would prefer to record my own script. So I'm going to go down here and click on the microphone to add my own recording of my voice. All right, I'll click the microphone to add my recording. Up in the browser, make sure you click Allow. And here you can select the appropriate microphone depending on your setup. And start recording. Hey. AI clone Brian Sensei here. Boom shakalaka. That's right, I can use that catchphrase too. All right, when you're done recording, click Add to Scene. Okay, and you'll notice the recording was placed down here in the timeline. And there was also a script placed here, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this. All right, now we have our recording, and I'm going to make sure that the recording and the video have the same duration. So I'm going to click the minus over here to zoom out so I can see till the end of the content. And you'll notice here that the recording is shorter than the video. Therefore, I'm going to click on the end of the video and drag it in so it's the same length as the recording. And you'll notice the background also adjusted automatically as well. One other thing to call out is you can also access text. If you'd like to add text callouts to your video, you can add those as well. And they also have built-in templates. So if you'd like to select an entire video template to utilize, you can choose from these as well. All right, I'm ready to submit. So I'll go over here to the top right and click submit. Here I can title the video and save location, the resolution. You'll notice that in the free version, you only get up to 720p, but if you get the paid version, you can get higher quality video output. All right, and I'll go ahead and submit. All right, so it shows that my video is in line for processing. At this point, I can get up and grab a cup of coffee, and by the time I'm done and come back, it should be ready to go. All right, we're getting close. Almost there. And we're ready. All right, let's go ahead and click on it here and check it out. Hey, AI clone Brian Sensei here. Boom shakalaka. That's right, I can use that catchphrase too. Whoa, that is trippy. The mouth looks a little weird, not exactly like mine, but hey, it still looks and sounds exactly like me. All right, so what can you do with this? You can share it and show it to others, or you can download the video and use it in other projects. I'm going to go ahead and download. There's some options here such as captions, audio only, video. I'm going to go ahead and get the whole thing. Download. All right, and that is how you use HeyGen AI to make your own AI clone. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.